closer in the backseat of your Rover.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started with this video, hit that subscribe button. If you're new, then hello, welcome. And first of all, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers and all my new subscribers if y'all subscribe. Second of all, we're going to be doing a cooking video today. So it's not like actually like cooking on the stove. We're just like making a dish, and it's going to be yogurt with just yogurt with some items in it and stuff. So yeah, so let's get started with the video. So you will need a bowl, obviously, to put your yogurt in. I just have this little decorative bowl from Dollar Tree. A spoon, obviously, to eat it with. Some yogurt. I just got this light infant yogurt from Walmart. And some extra things to put in it. Granola and almond mix with honey. That's gonna be good. And I got some frozen pineapples, gold pineapple chunks, or whatever you want to. So let's get started with the procedure. Okay, so first off, what you want to do is take your bowl and your spoon and your yogurt and just add some yogurt into the bowl. Ew. Ew. I don't know how this gonna taste. I never tasted this yogurt. My mom eats this yogurt at night for a healthy, light snack. Ooh, yogurt's good. Next, take your granola or whatever you want to do first. I'm just doing granola first. Smells delicious. Take that and let's fix the camera right quick. Take that and put it in the inside of your yogurt. Ooh, it is bouncy. I was gonna film a video about my slime project, but I already made the slime for my slime project. So yeah. Ooh, I found an almond. Almonds are good. Some people say almonds are disgusting. Almonds are delicious. Put a like this video if you love almonds. Okay. Now just take your frozen chunks of whatever you have next and put it in there. So let's add a couple things of pineapples. So yeah. So let's take a look at it. So this is it. This is my finished product. So now we're about to taste it. Okay guys, so we're gonna taste it. Get a little bit of everything. Find a small pineapple. Are you okay, Chase? Oh, he wants food. All he wants is food. Okay, so that was nothing. Here we go. Shoot. Okay, I actually recorded this part already, but my mom called and then it just went away and then it just went off. It deleted. So it's good. It's not bad at all. Once the pineapple and stuff, it's perfect. But I'm about to go chillax. And yeah, so y'all guys try this video. And okay guys, so like this video, comment down below what should I do next. What video should it be? A DIY, Q&A, all about me, or just another vlog? And subscribe, and like this video.
And that's what I was saying today. Is that Beverly is that
And
the only thing
tell
I
your
know
friends and
about
family about
the
me
first day of
so they can
winter
subscribe.
is that we're actually getting closer to spring.
I'm trying to
So
build
that's
my
pretty much the only reason I like today.
I'm trying to build my YouTube up.
We have to think of it in any positive way we
I
can,
always
right?
dreamed to be a YouTube
Oh,
sensation,
Beverly, it was a pleasure to have
but
you here with us.
there's a lot of other people out there trying to do that too.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Help
Have
us
a
out
wonderful day.
by subscribing.
Take care. Bye. Okay, so